Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to move your work from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to convert any Excel document into a Google Sheet, making it easy to collaborate online or just take advantage of all the handy features Google Sheets offers. Whether you're working on budgets, rosters, or big data sets, this process will keep your transitions smooth and your formatting intact. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google Sheets. You can do this simply by typing Google Sheets into your search bar or by going directly to sheetsgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account since you'll need access to Google Drive for this process. Think of Google Sheets as your online workshop. It's ready and waiting for you to bring in your Excel document. Once you're in Google Sheets, look up towards the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. Now the File menu is kind of like the command center for all the things you can do with your spreadsheet, from saving to sharing to importing new data. In this case, we want to bring in our Excel file, so you'll want to look for the Import option in that drop-down menu and click on it. Clicking Import will bring up a new pop-up window. This pop-up may look a little busy at first, but let's focus on exactly what you need. Among the various import options, you'll see a tab labeled Upload. This is what we're after because your Excel file is saved somewhere on your computer. Click on Upload. This tells Google Sheets you want to bring a file in from your local storage, not from your Google Drive or a web link. Now you'll see a button that says Browse, as well as the option to drag and drop your Excel file. You can either drag your file from your desktop right into the pop-up, or if you prefer, just hit Browse and use the file picker to navigate to wherever your file is saved. Don't worry if you have a lot of folders and documents, just take your time to locate your Excel file. Remember, Excel files will usually end with XLS or XLSX, so keep an eye out for those extensions if you're having trouble spotting it. Once you've located the file you want to convert, click on it once and then select Open. After you do this, Google Sheets will upload your file. Depending on the size of your document, this part might take a few moments, especially if your spreadsheet has a lot of data or complex formatting. Just hang tight. Google Sheets does a pretty good job of translating most Excel features, but it's always smart to glance over your new Google Sheet when the upload is done and make sure everything looks the way you expect. And that's it, your Excel document is now a fully editable Google Sheet, ready to share, edit, or collaborate with others, all straight from the cloud. It's a simple process, but once you know where to click, it can save you loads of time and hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides on making your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.